In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record audio in Windows 11 using the built-in Sound Recorder app. We'll start by opening the Sound Recorder. On your Windows 11 desktop, go to the Start button, usually at the bottom center of your screen. Click it, and in the search bar type Sound Recorder. You should see the Sound Recorder app appear in the results. Click on it once to open. If this is your first time using it, it may take a moment to load, so just give it a second. Once the app is open, you'll see a simple, clean interface with a large record button in the center. Before you start recording, it's a good idea to make sure the right microphone is selected. Look for the microphone icon or the input device selector, usually near the bottom or top of the window. Click it and choose the microphone you want to use from the list. If you're using a headset or an external mic, make sure it's plugged in and selected here. Now, to start your recording, click the big red record button. As soon as you click it, the timer will begin counting, and the app will start capturing whatever audio is coming through your selected microphone. Try speaking a few words at a normal volume, and watch the visual sound level indicator move. This helps confirm that your voice is being picked up clearly. While you're recording, you can pause at any time by pressing the pause button. This is useful if you need a quick break or want to gather your thoughts without creating a separate file. When you're ready to continue, just click the pause button again to resume. When you're finished, click the stop button. The recording will automatically be saved inside the app, and you'll see it appear in a list, usually on the left side. From here, you can click on your recording to play it back and check the audio quality. If you're happy with it, you can rename the file to something more descriptive by clicking on the default name and typing in your own. To save or share the audio file outside of Sound Recorder, look for the option to open file location or export. This will let you find the file on your computer so you can move it, upload it, or send it wherever you need. And that's all you need to start recording audio in Windows 11 with Sound Recorder.